Hello again, welcome back. A beer unboxing today. My Beer52 box finally arrived. I think I must have been last on their list. A lot of my mates who have got this subscription had theirs weeks ago. Of course it must. I would imagine they deliver different times throughout the month to other subscribers. Anyway, let's see what we've got. So, the story of craft beer, a free book. That's fantastic. So it's by Pete Brown. Story of craft beer, how it's made and how to drink it. Quite a few. I've just got a free book of Flavourly as well. The craft beer textbook, which I'm nearly finished reading. Very, very useful information in there. Right, look, the snacks, love corn, cheese and onion. I think I've got a packet there already. The barbecue. Okay. Right, let's see. Oh, there's a glass as well. Oh yeah. You gotta love Beer52. Now this is the. Yeah, I've got a couple of them already, but fantastic. They never go wrong. Yeah, I think this is the 12 box that I'm subscribed to. Oh, there's another snack. Oh, Tappies. Corn olive with olive, that means. It's like wee bready, wee bits of bread soaked in olive oil. Love that. Right, let's start with 5 points. Dupa. So is that a double pale ale, double hopped or something? I don't know. Dupa. Oh, a doubled up version of our juicy pale ale Dupa. Oh, that was the one I had the other day. Is that from 5 Points Brewing? I had the Dupa the other day and I don't know if it was off, but it smelt horrible. I reviewed that the other day. I'm hoping that the beer was something wrong in it. It's supposed to smell like that. This one from Harvestone Brewery, a Raspberry Engine, a raspberry stout. Crafted in Scotland, Harvestone. I don't know where about they are. North East Fife, so it's like the East Nook, St Andrews way. Things like that. The Wild Beer Company, I think I've got a bottle of theirs still to review. And this is Ron's Nzipa, which is a New Zealand IPA. I don't think Nzipa is a word. It's a hazy IPA. So that, I'm looking forward to. Ron's, where are they? Westcombe, Bedfordshire, is that something like that? Next up, from Beatnik's Republic, I love it. Yukino Silhouette. That's a New England IPA at 6%. Oh yes. Next up, a big can. This is from Rock Mill Brewery. It's called Maverick and it's a hazy American pale ale at 4.7%. And where are they based? Gdansk. They're Polish. It's a Polish brewery. Excellent. Hwamart. Now I've had some Hwamart beer before. Trying to remember the names. City of Cake. Fantastic. Chalk Fudge Cake Stout. And what is that? Is 5.5%. Hwamart Brewery. Where are they about? Oh, it's London. Islington. Very good. This is a Chinese beer. I have had Citra and Mosaic IPA with yuzu, brewed by Dogma Brewing, in Belgium. I have had beer, Chinese beer, in China. In Beijing, I went to a brew pub, a microbrewery, Great Leap Brewing, I think it was called, and I had their porter that they made, and I think it's the best porter I ever tasted. It was absolutely fantastic. Right, DC Brewing is that? And it's double on the Citra, double dry hopped Citra Pale at 4.8%. Looking forward to that. What a lovely can. Next up, H is the brewery. What does that stand for? Harbour Brewing. Oh, in North Cornwall. So, Step into Liquid Black. Or is it Step into Liquid Black IPA? Or Step into Liquid Black IPA? I don't know. Doesn't matter. A golden ticket, like Charlie Bucket, or is it Charlie Bouquet? Right, Docker's Hook from Dogma Brewery, and that is a robust coffee porter, and it's got Guatemala. It's just, oh, it's a collaboration. Dogma Brewery is Belgrade, Serbia. I don't think I've had a Serbian beer before. And Beer52, who are in Edinburgh. Fantastic! What a fantastic can, the artwork. And that is 6%. Oh man. Penultimate. That's the second last for you that didn't finish school. Patronising me. Wicklow Wolf, that's an Irish brewery. Elevation Pale Ale. Now, I had a beer the other day called Elevation, I think. But it wasn't from Wicklow. Where are they in Ireland? County Wicklow, yeah. Monty Carroll, Newton Mount Kennedy, County Wicklow, Ireland. Lovely. And that is 4.8%. Looking forward to that one. And the last one, Two Chefs Brewing. And it's a double dry hopped hazy IPA, and that is from Wetland Haze, I think the brewing company is. No, I tell a lie. The name of the beer is Wetland Haze. That makes more sense, doesn't it? And the brewery is Two Chefs Brewing. That makes much more sense, doesn't it? So that is a double dry hopped hazy IPA at 6%. Oh yes. Another winner from Beer52. Well, I'm saying another winner, I might not like them. And of course we've got the Ferment magazine. I was wondering where it was. And Summer Adventures. I love the magazines. They have a great tasting guide in the back, very interesting articles, loads of junk mail which recycle. So, and next month next time is Croatia. I hope they're still in the World Cup, the European Cup, the Euros by then. Because they beat Scotland deservedly so. So that's that one. Fantastic. I'm looking forward to all of these. A free glass, a magazine, 2 snacks, and all for £100. No, I think it's like £29.95 or something. Under 30 quid. I think it's not bad actually. I don't know what you would pay individually for all these. So it's a way of trying out different beers. So I'm very pleased with that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now.